Hi guys, my name is Cris Bron and welcome to my channel. Today is my very first introduction, so today's video I will be showing you a makeup tutorial, a makeup look right here. This is really simple but yet elegant look. I hope you guys enjoy this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys follow me on my social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, I would have it all down below. So yeah, if you guys wanted to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. As you can see guys that my eyes and face are all primed and moisturized, I'll go ahead and do my eyes. And for today's palette that I'll be using is the Tartelette palette in Toasted by Tarte. And now I'll be taking the cashmere from the palette using my Zoeva Brush-228. And using the same brush, I'll be taking the warm shade from the palette. And using a 225 from Zoeva Brush, I'll be taking the crackle from the palette. And using 227 Zoeva Brush, I'll be taking the far side from the palette. And using my 226 Zoeva Brush, I'll be taking the sunset from the palette. And taking my MAC set in prime. And then I'll be taking Maybelline liquid liner. And then I'll be taking a black eyeliner from Sephora. And now I'll go ahead with my face, and for today's foundation that I'll be using is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, and this is in the shade 310. And then I'll be taking a concealer brush. And then I will be blending that in with my beauty blender. And to conceal my under eyes, I'll be taking the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in the shade Dancing. And I'm gonna use Beauty Blender to blend everything in. And to set my concealer, I'll be using the Mercier translucent powder. And then I'll be using the Eco Tools sponge. Let's make it set for a little while. And to highlight my nose, I'll be using different concealer, and this is the Covergirl in medium. And now that it's done, I'll be taking my 135 Zoeva brush to dust everything out. And let's proceed to do contouring, and for today's contour, I'll be using the NYX Wonder Stick. I'll go ahead and do my bronzer, and for today's bronzer, I'll be using the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Ipanema Sun. And then I'll be using the bronzing brush. This brush is really good, one of my favorite brush from the drugstore. And now I'll go ahead and do my blush. I'm using the Sephora Euphoric, and I'm using 126 Zoeva Brush. Then I'll go ahead and do my lower lash line, and I'll be taking the warm shade from the palette using my 237 shade of brush. And then I'll be taking the Fireside from the palette using my Y12 Morphe brush. And then I'll be using L'Oreal Paris for my mascara. I'll go ahead and do my eyelashes, and for today's eyelashes I'll be using the Doll Face False Lashes, and this product is really good. I really recommend this product, very affordable and good quality. For my lips, I'm going to use the Australis lip pencil, and this in the shade Canoodle. And then for my liquid lipstick, I'm going to use the Jefree Star liquid lipstick, and this in the shade Layer. To finish this look, I'll be using the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Deep, and then I'll be taking the tourmaline from the palette using my pan brush. And then I'll be using the Glam Glow setting spray, and this spray is really good. It makes me look dewy and I love it. And that's the end of my tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am very happy how everything turned out. You can never go wrong with the smoky eye and nude lips. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope to see you guys in my next video.